You didn't bother to correct it. And it's been going. And I didn't know. And on the same platform that you accuse me, you used to do what? To perpetrate fraud and hypocrisy.
Hey, Chairman. I think and
I go for my ebony.
No, Chairman. Chairman.
The uncle back to where he went.
The words I will use to name
one can say
things are all covered.
One can hypocrisy
have never been my words.
One can hypocrisy.
You see, Chairman, to say the medical can, we don't have to engage in this on this particular show.
That is why I'm surprised you're sitting here.
We are offended that, you know, I've already told you in a private conversation.
But I told you that don't tell me in private.
What's it?
You should have gone back to where you said.
You bet me this uncommon. I don't think so.
No, but
we should use this program to settle scores and all that.
Unfortunately for you, Sammy, sorry. Unfortunately, I'm not using my program to settle scores.
Okay.
What could me hufin? What can some of them when you no credit? And our communicators, the men, I drew your attention to it. You did nothing about it. The only other opportunity I mean, me show. For you to come here and sit on this show, I am me and coming to me because I show. So I'm surprised about you want to kind of like sweep it aside. Yes, but Obia Niha, what could you matem baby?
Oh,
now what coming once summer and you know,
from
now Makacho said, Chairman, Makacho said, I
can see, sir, you see, Chairman, you are my senior brother.
You called me and I told you, said, if and I told you, said, go back to where you said it and apologize for it.
No problem.
But why you also have a catcher and say, I'm using my show to settle scores.
Yet,
if I'm sure settle scores,
yet, once here, you near watching it. We mean your opinion. I can see from the way you're talking, say you're not happy.
I am not. And I don't want to hide it.
It's very sorry for that. The work cannot. Why? Mr.
Politicians. But